Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's nail art, I'm using this funky Swirls stamping plate by ClearJellyStamper. And this stamping plate is in collaboration with Nails by Katie Dutra. And it comes with this. Now let's peel off the blue protective film. Now let's start stamping. After all of that, I'm applying top coat. If you want to check out and try out this stamping plate, the link is available on the description box below. Don't forget to check out ClearJellyStamper on Facebook and on Instagram. And also don't forget to swing by at their website. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!